Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you guys can see by the title, we are going to be doing some box braids on my natural hair with no extensions. So if you guys want to see how I achieve that, please be sure to keep watching. So I'm just finishing up on twisting my hair and we will get started. I like to work in sections, so I'm just going to start with a straight path down the middle and we can section it off, and we will start with one side. Now I'm just going to go in with my Losa Body Moisturize Me Curl and Style Milk just to give my hair a little bit of moisture so it's easier to detangle. Let's get into the first section. I'm just going to pat a straight line down from the middle of my head to my ear to start braiding the first two braids. Now we're going to split this section into two and we will start braiding. To start braiding, we're going to divide that section into three small sections, preferably even so that your braids can be as even and full as possible, by bringing the end piece to the middle and do the same on the opposite end, and we're going to repeat all the way down to the end. We're going to repeat that process for the next braid. Continue that process throughout the rest of your hair. Okay, so we're finished with one side of the hair. I'm gonna go off camera, do the other side, and I will be back. Here you guys can see me adding some edge control at the edges of my hair so that it can be a little sleek. Now we're just gonna go in with some mousse so that it is gonna have a little bit of a neat finish. And this is the final product, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something new. Please be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so y'all stay notified. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.